I just finished up another log bench. This one turned out really nice. This was a very old tree that fell, and I just wanted to make a bench out of it. It had a lot of character. The wood just looked really good to me. So the whole thing is made out of pine. It does have a nice coat of Australian oil on it. I did put 2 coats of the Australian oil on the seating part because it had some big cracks, and I just wanted to fill some of that with that Australian oil, and it just looks really good. Now it still has a little bit of sheen to it, the oil still seeping into the wood, but overall this turned out really nice.